we are the group 5. Our task is to construct a 4 input. The gates that we will use is OR gate. The general concept of OR gate circuit that output 1 if any of the inputs is 1. They should only be 0 if all inputs are 0. So I show here the gate of OR gate, and the input is 4. Then the output is 1. This is the input. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Patience here. Connecting. So we have to connect the gates. Ay, oh my god. You have to connect. Then this is the output. Oh, oh. I will label first this for A, and for this B, for this C, and for this is D. Then our output is Y.